Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So this is the fifth video of Linux. Okay, so I am covering Linux from scratch. Whatever you need to know working as a DevOps engineer. So you can my check whole playlist. I have created the video from scratch for Linux. So this video, like we are going to see what are the things we need to do as a DevOps engineer if you are working. Okay, so what are the tasks we need to perform generally in the general cases. Okay, so I have launched one EC2 instance, so let me connect to this EC2 instance first, then I will show you whatever I need to we need to know as a DevOps engineer in Linux. Okay. Okay, so first command we should know sudo apt get update. Okay, so this command will sudo apt get update, this command will update our OS repository. Okay, so let hit enter. So our repository is getting like updated. Okay, so our repository is updated now. So like if we are going to create any file, okay, then we have to use sudo nano test dot txt or something like that. Okay, so here we have to press, sorry, this one is not vi, so here we don't have to press. Whenever you are using vi, then we have to press I, and whenever you are using nano command, then we don't have to press I. Okay, so I'm going to write something here. This is my Linux YouTube tutorial. Okay, I hope you found this video informative. Okay, so here how we can save this after writing, then we have to press Ctrl plus X. Okay, so it's saying save modified buffer, then we have to press caps Y, then we have to hit enter. Okay, so now let's see sudo cat test dot txt. So sorry, there is something wrong. Oh, sorry, test dot txt, right? Cat, here we can see whatever I have written here. This is Linux, this is my Linux YouTube tutorial. I hope you found this video informative. So let me try to create one another file using vi. Okay, sudo vi. Okay, what name I should give? So test dot one dot txt. Okay, so here we have to press I before writing anything. Before, like if we are not going to press I, then it will not let us to write here anything. So hey others, how are you? Let's meet to tomorrow at 10 a.m. Okay, so here we have to save this file. How we can save this? Then we have to press escape, then colon, then W, okay, then Q, and we have to hit enter. So let's do sudo cat and test1.txt. So we can see, hey others, how are you? Let's meet tomorrow at 10 a.m. So you already saw that sudo, how we can use nano and how we can use vi. So we can also use vim, but we need to install vim for that. So vi is also a vim kind of text editor, and you can also create file using vi and nano. Okay, so let me show you like how we can check the logs. So do ls here. Okay, so let's check pwd working directory home ubuntu. Okay, here we have to, if we are getting any error of the in on any server, then how we can check the logs? Then go cd/var. Okay, then do ls. Here we have one directory called log. Okay, then go to cd log. Okay, do ls, and here we can see the log. So according to your requirement or error, you can see the log here. Okay, and how we can see the configuration, okay, of any application, whichever application is running on our EC2 instance. How we can check that? For that we need to go under cd/etc, then we have to do ls, and here we can see all the packages and the configuration. Okay, for whatever application is running on our EC2 instance, that all the configuration should exist under etc directory. Okay, so let me, and as a DevOps engineer, you might know, or if you don't know, then how we can create SSH key and how where we need to add the SSH key so that user can access our EC2 instance, okay, directly. So let's do go to the home, then go cd.ssh and do ls. Here we can see one file called authorized key. In this file you have to add SSH key. Okay, so for SSH key, how we can get the SSH key? And in that case, like if you don't know how to create, then we have one command, ssh hyphen keygen. Okay, so just we need to run this command. So generating key pair. So our key pair got saved in this directory. So in all the cases we will be using the public key only. So let me do sudo cat and to this directory, and I will show you. So here you can see the key, right? ssh hyphen keygen, ssh hyphen rsa, and this is the key. Okay, for server I just shown you for the demo thing, so I'm not going to use this ssh key anywhere. Like how you can create the ssh key and you can share, right? For that purpose only I have created this. But if someone have created the ssh key and he shared with you and he told you like, could you please add my ssh key to this server so that I can access it without using key pair. Okay, so let's do ls and do sudo vi and copy the path and paste it. Just hit enter. Okay, now just press I. So we need to go to the end here in the bottom. Sorry, yeah. So let's hit enter, and here you need to add the SSH key of the user. Okay, so I have my SSH key here. Okay, so let me add my SSH key. Okay, and now we have to save this. Okay, and now let me try to access this server without using this web UI. Okay, web GUI. So let's go to the instance, and you should always know we always use public IP to connect with any server. Okay, so we need to write like SSH Ubuntu. So it's Ubuntu system, Ubuntu OS, so I am using host name as a Ubuntu. So if you have launched Linux system, Linux EC2 instance, then you have to use EC2-user. Okay, so and then the IP address of our server. Just hit enter. So it's asking for permissions. Let's see we can access it or not. So we already logged in, right? Here you can see the private IP of the server. So let's 172.31.20.117, right? So here you saw that 117. So now we can run command sudo apt -get -update. So we are already connected and our repository got updated already. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you found my video informative and helpful. If you have any query, then please put them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Okay, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.